Welcome back to Spanish class. You're doing amazing. You've already mastered AR verbs, and today we're completing your conjugation knowledge. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to conjugate ER and IR verbs, the other two verb families in Spanish. That means you can conjugate any regular verb in the entire language. Why is this so important? Because with AR, ER, and IR verbs, you have complete control over Spanish. You can express any action, eating, drinking, writing, living, opening, learning, literally everything. This is the lesson that makes you truly fluent in present tense. Now here's the best part. ER and IR verbs follow the exact same pattern as AR verbs. If you learned AR verbs, you already know how this works. We're just changing the endings. Ready? Let's master Spanish conjugation completely. Vamos! Alright, let's review quickly. Remember AR verbs? You remove AR and add O, AS, A, AMOS, AN. Well, ER and IR verbs work exactly the same way. Let's start with ER verbs. These are verbs that end in ER in their infinitive form. To eat, comer. Comer. See that ER ending? That's your ER verb. Now let's conjugate it. Remove ER, you're left with com. Now add the ER endings. I eat, add O for yo. Yo como. Yo como. You eat, add ES for two. Two comes. Two comes. He eats, add E for L. El come. El come. We eat, add EMOS for nosotros. Nosotros comemos. Nosotros comemos. They eat, add EN for ellos. Ellos comen. Ellos comen. See the pattern? O-E-S-E, EMOS, N. That's the ER pattern. Compare it to AR. O as A, AMOS, AN. Very similar, right? The yo form is exactly the same. O. Pro tip. Write this down. ER verbs use O, E-S-E, EMOS, N. Memorize this and you can conjugate any ER verb. Let's practice with more ER verbs. Beber, to drink. I drink water. Yo bebo agua. Yo bebo agua. Leer, to read. You read books. Tú lees libros. Tú lees libros. Aprender, to learn. She learns Spanish. Ella aprende español. Ella aprende español. Vender, to sell. We sell cars. Nosotros vendemos coches. Nosotros vendemos coches. Comprender, to understand. They understand French. Ellos comprenden francés. Ellos comprenden francés. Correr, to run. I run every day. Yo corro todos los días. Yo corro todos los días. See? Same pattern for all ER verbs. Remove ER, add O, ES-E, EMOS. Now, let's learn IR verbs. These end in IR in infinitive form. Here's something amazing. IR verbs use almost the exact same endings as ER verbs. To live, vivir. Vivir. That IR ending means it's an IR verb. Let's conjugate. Remove IR, you get viv. Now add the IR endings. I live, add O for yo. Yo vivo. Yo vivo. You live, add ES for two. Two vives. She lives, add E for ella. Ella vive. Ella vive. We live, add IMOS for nosotros. This is different. Nosotros vivimos. Nosotros vivimos. They live, add EN for ellos. Ellos viven. Ellos viven. The IR pattern is O-E-S-E, IMOS N. Notice, only the nosotros form is different from ER. ER uses EMOS, IR uses IMOS. Let's practice IR verbs. Escribir, to write. I write emails. Yo escribo emails. Yo escribo emails. Abrir, to open. You open the door. Tú abres la puerta. Tú abres la puerta. Recibir, to receive. He receives letters. Él recibe cartas. Él recibe cartas. Decidir, to decide. We decide together. Nosotros decidimos juntos. Nosotros decidimos juntos. Common mistake alert. Students mix up ER and IR verb endings. They say nosotros vivemos instead of vivimos. Remember, ER gets EMOS, IR gets EMOS. Think IMOS for IR verbs. Another mistake. Students forget that yo is the same for all three verb types. Always O. Yo hablo, yo como, yo vivo, all end in O. Okay, practice time. Let's compare all three verb types. I speak Spanish, AR verb. Yo hablo español. Yo hablo español. I eat pizza, ER verb. Yo como pizza. Yo como pizza. I live in Madrid, IR verb. Yo vivo en Madrid. Yo vivo en Madrid. See? All three use O for yo. Now let's try nosotros. This is where they differ. We speak Spanish, AR amos. Nosotros hablamos español. Nosotros hablamos español. We eat pizza, ER EMOS. Nosotros comemos pizza. Nosotros comemos pizza. We live in Madrid, IR IMOS. Nosotros vivimos en Madrid. Nosotros vivimos en Madrid. Amos, hemos, IMOS. That's the only difference in nosotros form. Now you try. Pause and conjugate. Aprender for tú. Ready? Answer, tú aprendes. ER verb. So S ending. All right, let's recap everything. Today you mastered ER and IR verbs. ER verbs use the pattern O, ES, E, EMOS, N. IR verbs use O, ES, E, EMOS, N. The only difference is the nosotros form, EMOS versus IMOS. You now know all three Spanish verb families. AR verbs O, AS, A, EMOS, N. ER verbs O, ES, E, EMOS, N. IR verbs O, ES, E, IMOS, N. With these three patterns, you can conjugate any regular verb in Spanish. Look at what you can do now. You can express any action in present tense. Speaking, eating, living, learning, writing, running, everything. You have complete control over Spanish present tense. This is incredible. Your homework? Conjugate three verbs completely. One AR, one ER, one IR. Write all 5 forms for each. Then create 5 sentences using different verbs and subjects. Say them out loud. Comment your best sentence below. Next class, we're learning practical Spanish for shopping, how to buy things, ask prices, and negotiate. Very useful. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Excellent work today. You're a Spanish conjugation master. Hasta pronto. See you soon.